Alright, hey guys, it is the Friday, the 2nd of December, 2022. I don't know, something going on 10 o'clock this morning. You see that ferry, that bridge there? That's the first one I've seen opened up here. I'm in Gulfport, Mississippi. No, I'm in Biloxi, Mississippi. And look up here on this light. Look at this guy up here. He's watching me. Hey guy. I think he must be cussing me out. Anyway, where am I at? I am at Popps Ferry Causeway Park. That's what they call this. And just got here. And here, if you look over on the bridge over there, you can see cars. And there's lights on these bridges. I've run across a few of them, but I've never seen this before. So the sun's a little bit bright. I'm trying to block it from you here if I can, hopefully. But you can see that bridge is up. So that's the first one I've ever seen, so I assume some boat's coming. Yeah, oh, it is. There's the boat right down there. So let's get us a treat. Let me go out here to the edge of this. Here, you see this is all water. Oh, he's still way back there. But he's coming. I'll cut part of this out and just bring this to you when he's actually coming from underneath that bridge. Alright, looks like he's getting ready to come through here. If you look kind of on this side of the bridge, you'll see part of him. Now he's about to disappear out of our sight. But he's coming. There he is. Here he's coming through. It's like a barge. Oh my goodness, it is a barge. But the sun is so bright, that water's so sparkly. I don't know how this is going to look on the video, but you can see this is a big old barge coming through here. It's the first time I've ever seen this in my life, so it's a bit of a treat for me. There goes a heron, I think, flying across the water. He's kicking up some water. So you can definitely still see the bridge there. You see the boat. See, the front of that's all the way out there. So here he comes, and oh, and the bridge. Check out the bridge. It's closing, coming down. The other little part's got to settle down on it, looks like. But for all intents and purposes, it's closed. There's a boater, fisherman. And so there he goes. How cool is that? Yep, and the bridge is settled all the way back down. I'll show it to you in a second here. Let me show you the bridge right there. It's completely flat and closed, so traffic's still sitting on the bridge over there. So they should be getting moving any moment now. And then back to our boat. Hopefully you've enjoyed this with me, because again, this is the first time I've ever seen anything like this in my life. And if you follow my videos, you know I've traveled a lot and seen a lot of things, but you know, first time for everything. Look at that water he's kicking out over there. Alright, so let me go ahead and I'll show you some of this park. See, this is all boardwalks through here that I have found. And I'm not exactly sure of how far these go. I came from way back in yonder that away, parked way back, not knowing, you know, what any of this was. It's the first time I've ever been here. Got that little boater out there, fisherman. You can see the traffic's flowing across the bridge up there. So here we go. Yeah, so there's just little boardwalks that end right there. Then this goes on around. So I'll just be walking, looking, seeing what I can see, and we will go from there. So stick around and hopefully, well, let me finish out with this. There goes the barge right there. So you can see him heading on out and kicking up all kinds of water. All right, hopefully I'll see you in a second here. All right, so I've come down here to the end, and that's the bridge right there I showed you that was up there a few minutes ago. And you see traffic's flowing freely across it. You can hear it. You see, there's just a little pier. It ends right there, and right down here it ends, and you can look out through there and you'll see that barge is heading on way down through there, and you see the zigzaggy water here that he has left. Pretty cool, huh? And then you see this just goes way out through there. That place over is called Yule's Place, Y-U-L-S. And you can see some traffic up there going across the bridge. Alright, there's another little section over through yonder, and I'll go over there, see what I can bring you. Okay, so I run across this pavilion here. Show this to you. 5 or 6 steps it goes up here. Oh, there's a little bit of a boardwalk goes through there. Got a water fountain here. Let's see. So this is telling you about some of the stuff that's in here. The brackish water. Got some raccoons and some bunnies. Some nutrias. Little bird. It's a big building here. Nice shot of the ceiling. Here's a little boardwalk. We'll walk out there in a minute. Of course, the great blue heron, the snowy egret, and the osprey. And there you go. Some of the guys that I don't want to run across, at least, you know, what's up. So we got some electricity in here. Okay, some of the plants. Well, that's the same thing right there. Interesting. So is this final one the same thing? Let's go see. Ah, just some of the ecosystem. But you can see that's some of the boardwalk over there that I walked down around through here in. Let's go discover, well, almost tripped over a picnic table. How crazy do you gotta be to another trip over a picnic table? They said they do got a little walking path out here. Haven't done that either. So, okay, looks like this here just goes to another little shelter thing. And it does. Okay. Got a few more of the plaques here. Brown pelican, red-winged, glyph swallow, clapper whale. Then they got this one other's covered up by this picnic table. Blue crabs, white shrimp, never mind. Alright, let me get here where I can see. Show you how brown this water is. It just looks really bad. You see these big grasses, and then the ferry. And you can't see it, but my car is way down through there. Is where I parked at, and that's just looking around. It's a nice tree out there. So we'll go back. We'll try that little black park, little black path. See if that's got anything, and then I'm sure I'll close it out. All right, so this is just a little asphalt little walkway here. It's not big at all. See a little bit of fall color there. See a little bit right through there. More as it come around, and that little bit. Got this fairly nice tree right here, little pine tree. That right there is just where I came from. I just showed you a minute ago. But you can see it's just a little asphalt path. Just meanders through here just a little bit, but there ain't much of it going on, so I won't waste too much time here. And yeah, see, even the sign's gone. Part of the bridge over there. Alright, so I guess that'll do it for this video. So, you know, not as exciting as the last two, that's for sure, but it's still something different. That barge coming through that open bridge was definitely kind of exciting. But anyway, if you liked it, you know, thumb it up, subscribe, share it, and I'll see you on the next one. Enjoy your day. Take care.